Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I just updated my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with the new update for Android 15 QPR2 Beta 2, which we released yesterday, but we had a whole bunch of other betas from Apple, Samsung. Everybody was just releasing betas yesterday, so this one got put on the back burner till today, but we do have some new features and some returning features that we saw in previous beta builds that were removed from the initial build of Android 15 that are back, specifically the notification cooldown option. So if you head into your notification settings here, you can see under general there is a notification cooldown option now. It gives you a little splash screen here of what it does and how it works. And when this feature is turned on, apps that send repeat notifications or are sending you a lot of notifications within a 2-minute time period will gradually get quieter and quieter. So the more notifications you get within that 2-minute time frame, the quieter the notifications will get. So if you're in a group chat or you have a Discord group or something like that, and it's just sending notification after notification, it's not going to blow up your phone with all these notifications just continuously. You'll get the first few, and then it's going to get quieter. And then after they stop, after that 2 minutes, it will reset again, and you'll start getting notifications again until you start getting a bunch of them. So if you're in one of those popular group chats and you're getting a bunch of notifications, this will be a good feature for you. That was in the initial Android 15 beta. It was removed before the public release, and then we saw it return in Android 16 in the developer preview 1, but now it is back in Android 15 and QPR2 beta 2. Another new thing we have is the themed icons are now in out of beta, so there is no longer a beta tag. If we go to your home screen settings here, there is no beta tag on the themed icons, but still not all icons have a theming option for them, so it's still a hit or miss whether all your icons will be themed or not, and that's kind of one of the things that stops me from using it. If I'm going to theme my icons, I want all of them to have a theme. I don't want it just to be limited to like 95% of them, because it just stands out when not all of them work. One other thing we have here on the change for Android 15 QPR2 Beta 2 is a new animation here for the app drawer, and specifically the way the search bubble pops up at the top. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but you can kind of see it kind of bubbles in from the side there, and that is a new animation for Beta 2. We do have a new option under developer settings here. If we go into our system and we go down here to developer options, right under the OEM unlocking, we have an option to boot with 16 kilobytes of page size. Boot device using 16 kilobyte of page size on supported kernels, which this is one, and that will allow a little bit larger page size, and it speeds up apps booting and stuff like that. Most things are sped up about 0.5 seconds, so less than a second of increased speed here. So it's not going to be something that is too noticeable, but it is something nonetheless that is now available in Android 15, coming up in Android 15 QPR2 on supported devices. Wi-Fi code sharing now uses the new share sheet, and there are other security updates and bug fixes as well, of course, that we expect to see with these new beta updates. So that is Android 15 QPR2 Beta 2 here on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'm Colin for Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.